In this video, we will see how to download Java on our Windows operating system. So open your favorite browser and type Java JDK download and then click on the first link, Java SE downloads. And here the latest version of Java is 16, but we will not install this. We will install Java 11 version. So scroll a bit and this is Java SE 11 LTS. LTS means long-term support. So here you need to just click on JDK download. Now in this page we will have to scroll and go down. So all of these are downloadable files for different operating system. For Windows we will have to download this 64 installer. So I will click on this Java 64 installer and then click on this checkbox and then download JDK. Now here you may be asked to sign into your Oracle account. In case you are new to this website, you will have to first create your account and then sign in with the same username and password, and then click on this sign in option. So now as you can see, download has been started. Now once the file is downloaded successfully, open the downloads folder and just click on this exe file and allow this to run by clicking yes. And now you can see this initial setup window. So here you need to click on next. And this is the default location where your Java will be installed. So if you want to change it, you can, but I will keep it as default and click on the next. And now you can see Java has been successfully installed, and now click on this close button. Now if you want to check whether Java is installed or not, so you have to go to your C drive, then program files, then Java. And here you can see you have JDK version 11, which means Java has been installed on your computer. Now you have to do one more thing, which is you have to set the class path. So just click on this and then open bin folder, and now just copy this path till bin folder and then you can minimize this folder. Now go to desktop and right click on this PC and then click on properties. Then click on advanced system settings. Then here you have environment variables. So just open this, and now here you have an option to set class path. But in case you are not able to see this option on your computer, then you can just click on new and create a class path. So here we have this class path. Now we have to just double click on this option, and here you need to click on new and then simply paste the path that we have copied earlier. And to paste you can press Ctrl+V. Now just click on OK, and you are done. There is one more way to check whether Java is installed on your computer or not. So you just have to open the command prompt. So just click on this Windows option and type cmd, then open this command prompt, and here you have to type java-version. So here you can see Java version 11.0.11 is installed on your computer. So this is the other way to verify whether the Java is installed on your computer or not. This is how you can download Java on your Windows operating system. So follow these steps and install Java on your machine. And I will see you in the next video.